Alright YouTube, just finished up filming a video review of the Jet Pilot wetsuit, and now I'm going to go try out the XP. I did have it out once before, but it was when I tested my X2 for the first time, so I was riding the XP around quite tentatively because I wasn't sure if BJ was going to sink my X2. So I'm going to take the XP out. Megan's gonna relax on the shore and do some people watching, and yeah, I'm gonna make a video. Yeehaw. X4 hull. I'm gonna go out and shred. Oh, I better choke it, I guess. Ah, now's up. Let's see what I think of this beast. Oh, if you lean in, it slides. All right, I think I need a nose down a little bit. Holy. Whoa. Oh man. Crap! Wow, I don't know a lot about jet ski hull design, but this is definitely stay upright or lean out to turn. Holy crap! Makes a huge difference. When you lean in, it wants to slide. I'll give you guys an example, but when you sit upright or lean out, it just hooks up like crazy. So I'll do one turn. The first turn I do, I'll lean in. Second turn I do, I'll sit up straight, and then I'll do a third turn, kind of leaning out a bit. Let's race! I think you beat me, guys! Alright, as I was saying, first turn I do will be leaning in. Woohoo! So that's what happens when you lean in. Now I'll just sit up straight. Wow, that's a lot of spray in the face. This one I'm going to lean out a bit. Holy crap! Oh try playing around on it like that. So this is something that I definitely can't do on the X2. Just sit in the water and give commentary. So yeah, it's amazing how differently it handles when you kind of shift your body weight around. I guess that's a sign of a good hull design. But anyway, yeah, it's really easy to ride. I think just about anybody could hop on one and go without having any troubles. The controls are nice. It's kind of weird compared to the X2. X2 is more like riding a quad or a motorbike. But yeah, super easy to ride. You guys probably can't see anything because of the sun. Super fun to ride. I think it would be a lot of fun if you had a buoy course and a few people out on them. Alone, I think it might get boring just because I'm used to riding the X2 and the fun of that is just being able to stay on it. With this, yeah, I mean, I've been doing 360s on it and I haven't fallen off yet. Kind of thought I might fall over once, but try doing something like that on a stand-up or an X2 and you're going to end up in the water a bunch of times before you pull it off successfully. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to rip around on this, leave the camera like that so you guys can kind of see my goofy face. Battery's almost dead. I have some charging in the truck, but I'm going to rip around on this till the battery goes dead. All right, YouTube, we got done playing around on the jet skis. Megan came back out while I was on the X2 and managed to do some 180s. After I rode it, I was able to kind of explain to her what to do, and yeah, she had some fun sliding around and stuff. But I think we're pretty much done. I'm gonna go back out and try to get a speed run on both the XP and the X2, kind of just out of curiosity. Turns out that the X2 is actually quite a bit quicker out of the hole. It doesn't take too long for the XP to catch up, but I was quite surprised by that. Anyway, I'm gonna head back out and do some speed runs.